Hello everyone, and welcome back to exercise number 10 of the SolidWorks Basic Tutorial Series. In this video, we're going to be designing a belt crank. We'll go step by step through the sketching, extruding, and detailing process to ensure a precise and functional design. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create and modify a belt crank using essential SolidWorks tools. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we start by creating a new SolidWorks part. We copy exercise number 10 into SolidWorks, and we set the background to plain white. All right, so if we look at the figure here, we see that this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the isometric view. All dimensions given here are in millimeters, and the geometry is fully defined. I think the easiest way to model this is to do it in 3 main steps. Step number 1 would be to sketch the base profile of the component first, and then use the extrude boss piece feature to create a thickness right here. Step 2 is to work on the cylindrical portion right here. To do that, we draw a circle first on this surface, and then extrude. Finally, or step 3, we create 3 circles, 1, 2, and 3, using the extrude cut feature. Okay, so let's get started. Select top plane, sketch. Again, we're going to start by creating the base profile here. So select circle and draw 1 circle. Go to Smart Dimension, and from the figure we can see that the diameter of this larger hole is 75 millimeters. So the diameter of this circle is 75 millimeters. Next, we're going to work on these 2 circles right here, 1 and 2. But before that, let's go to line and select center line. What we want to do is create a triangle that connects these 3 centers, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we draw a triangle like so. This will help us later to define the positions of each circle. Now we draw 2 circles, 1 and 2. The distance between this center and this center, which is basically the length of this line, from the figure is 86 millimeters. So this is 86. And the distance between this point and this point is 91 millimeters. So the length of this line is 91. Finally, the distance between this point and this point is 143. 143. So this side has a length of 143. Select OK. From the figure, we see that the radius of this circle and this circle, they're the same, is 22 millimeters. So this diameter right here is 44. And this is also 44. Next, we're going to connect the lines of the overall profile of this base right here. So go line and start connecting the profile. We connected it with this larger circle right here. The same is the case with this smaller circle and this larger circle. Okay, before we start trimming to create the overall profile, let's just make sure that each and every line is tangent with its respective circle. Okay, tangent, tangent, tangent. Okay, perfect. Go to Trim Entities, and let's trim any extra lines, leaving only the overall profile of the base. This is actually my favorite part. It's pretty easy. Okay, now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we're going to extrude this profile, this sketch, to a height of, see here, 20 millimeters. So this is 20. Select OK. See? Go to Perspective. Now we have the base. Step 2 is to work on the cylindrical part here. So select this surface, sketch, select circle, and let's draw one circle right here, all the way to the edge right here. Automatically, the diameter of this circle will be 75. So just go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. We're going to extrude this circle to a height of 38. So this is 38 millimeters. Select OK. Next, we're going to work on the holes, the 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3 here. So let's start with the larger hole. Select this surface, sketch. Let's draw one circle here. Go to Smart Dimension. And from the figure, we see that the diameter of this hole is 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. Go to Features again, Extrude Cut. We're going to extrude this all the way through the component. If we look at the figure, the hidden line goes all the way through. Select OK. Again, select this surface, sketch, and we're going to draw 2 circles, like so. 1 and 2. The diameter of these 2 circles are, as you can see here, 22.2. So go to Smart Dimensions and assign a dimension of 22.2. Go to Features, Extrude Cut. We're going to cut this all the way to the other side. Select OK. Finally, this edge right here has a fillet radius to it. So select a fillet, and from the figure, it has a fillet radius of 29 millimeters. So enter a radius of 29, and we're going to select this edge right here. Select OK. Delete this figure. So, congratulations, everyone. We have successfully completed exercise number 10. Assign a material, go to Metals, select Polished Steel. Gives it a nice gray color like that. Select OK. Okay, everyone, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in exercise number 11. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye-bye.